Hi, my name's James and I'm from BlindsbyPost, and today I'm going to show you how to install your wave track and curtains. To install your track, all you'll need is a pencil, screwdriver, drill and tape measure, alongside the screws and brackets provided. Before you start fitting your track, please ensure that your screws are suitable for the surface you are fitting into. Some surfaces may require wall plugs or different screws to the ones we provide. The brackets need to be positioned 50mm in from each side of your recess. Using your tape measure, mark these points with a pencil. Evenly space additional brackets between the two end brackets. To fit inside the recess, you will need to top fix the brackets. Hold the bracket to the marks made in step 1 and mark the relevant hole with a pencil. Drill the holes and use suitable screws to hold the brackets in place. Unscrew the gold screw underneath the bracket slightly to allow the cantilever to slide back and forth. There is no front or back to the track, so it can be fitted either way. Angle the track into the bracket and push into the cantilever. The track should snap into position. Tighten the gold screw underneath the bracket to hold the track in place. Now your curtains are hung, use a steamer or the steam setting on your iron to gently steam out any creases in the fabric. Be careful not to touch the fabric whilst doing this. We then recommend tying back your curtains for 48 hours to help get a better form. For example, take a look here. We need to train the curtains to hang correctly by gently steaming them and then tying them back for 48 hours. When tying your curtains back, we recommend using something wide so as not to create more creases in the fabric. Now, such examples could be cling film or wide ribbon, or using a piece of material or toweling. Now your curtains are hung, to get the perfect wave heading, you just need to guide the pleats forward and back. Depending on the width of the fabric and the curtain, you may have a join like this.